Good night. My name is Jason Daza. My gadget is caps lock. Go. Um, what is good nutrition? Good nutrition means your body gets all the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals it needs to work its best. Dietary supplements. Um, Supplement usage trace as they walk to the mid 20th century. After synthesizing and isolating all the types of vitamins your body needs to survive, clinicians began looking to address health issues through single vitamin supplements. These pills were a precursor to what we know as the multivitamin. Supplements continued to rise in popularity from time on. The increasing modernization of agriculture in 1970 to 1919, as well as the rise in commercial retail store selling, prepackaged food led to a dramatic change in people's diets, including a lack of nutrients. To fill this gap, more people started turn to dietary supplements. Comparison: capsule or tablets. Um, Capsule. Unique mixes of ingredients are possible. Sealed hard gelatin capsules can be good oxygen barriers. Protection for sensitive ingredients. Capsules can be opened to obtain powdered ingredients. Reduced gastrointestinal irritation. Tables. Potentially poor disintegration in the gastrointestinal unless properly controlled for disintegration. Granulation technique can add heat, moisture to components. Potential sensitivity to contagion. My election is capsule. Um, Capsule are usually made from animal sources gelatin. This is important because a tablet that breaks down too slowly will fail to release specific nutrients to critical intestinal sites, decreasing absorption and potential causing gastrointestinal upset. Um, I decide I decide to choose the capsule because the nutrients from capsule have also been done for tablets because in some cases the latter have been known to pass through the gastrointestinal tract. Each capsule is formulated with high purity ingredients. You can have confidence that every capsule has the strength and potency for its effective. Okay, the gadget create a powerful blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals, formulated to promote slow or growth, result in reduction of as much as 18% to normally grow. Normal and capital lock in relation 3 years. Okay. Cable law to support higher low growth and next low growth. Soft capsules easy to swallow, completely free of fillers, binders, and artificial ingredients, no gluten, wheat or dairy. How to use. As a dietary supplement, take one daily with a meal or as directed in indications. For children, take capsule daily, preferably with a meal. For women, take 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. For men, take 3 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. Limitations. Cablo is relativamente contraindicated in patients with hereditary alopecia or disorders where the eye grows, because the components can exacerbate these conditions. Cablo abuse can also cause long-term and potentially permanent damage to the digestive system, including chronic constipation and damage to the nerves and muscles of the colon. Healthy day. Cablo general aliments deficiencies. With that said, always a good idea to eat a balanced healthy diet of no processed or minimally processed goods for your optimal health. Change in the lives of the people who use it. Um, Say goodbye to barber cuts, white times, and travel to appointments. Review using mode and choose best suited for your needs. Even look good for money time. You save money and you get better I could without the white and headless. 90% of hairdressers and barbers are self-employed. They either host a shop or they are independent contractors. Shooter could generate unemployment, and there are so many small business owners that of multiple business they are responsible for so much.